it's Hannah with WTI. I love fresh flowers in my house. These vases by Veichin are so beautiful in my house. I had recently redone our living room and there was just this one extra little space on my wall and I wasn't sure what to do with it. And I saw these vases and thought they would be absolutely perfect, and they are. I love how each of them has just uniqueness. Because it's real wood, you have different patterns in the wood, just really beautiful. And I like that it's 3 different variations of color to add a little bit of interest. They are super easy to hang up. It comes with the drywall anchors and a screw, and you just hang them on those. So the 3 vases come out, so it's really easy if you are putting fresh flowers in them to take it to the sink, clean them, and add fresh water and new flowers. They look so pretty no matter what. If I had nothing in them, they were already beautiful. But I have tried several different variations of flowers and they all look so pretty, and they just add, fresh flowers just add so much to a house. However, having vases on tables can be inconvenient for me because we have kids and they get knocked over, or you have to clean around them every time you wipe the table. But these just hang on my wall and look beautiful. They even looked really pretty if I just had some leaves in them. So I'm thinking in the fall they'll look so pretty if I put some maple leaf twigs in there that have already turned red and orange. Those look so beautiful and I can't wait to see what that looks like in these. But for now, I'll live with my fresh flowers from my garden. So if you're looking for a little way to bring a little bit of the outdoors in, add a little decoration to your walls, or you're propagating plants and you want a really pretty way to display that, these vases by Veichin are completely the way to go. I love them. You will too. And that's my point of view.